Today we're gonna get bitten by every single bird in Petco. Let's begin. Oh, gorgeous. Wait. Look at him. Hi. No. Victoria, look at that.
Oh my god, I won. Not for sale. 24?
Average lifespan's 25, and he's 24.
Stop, that made me want to pee. Stop, that makes me sad.
You are so beautiful. Dude, birds are so intelligent. Victoria.
I'm killing.
Okay, I was having stress because you're in my ESH.
Come. He's so gorgeous.
I know, he's so beautiful.
Let's see what other babies they have.
Dude, imagine having a toucan.
Look at this cutie pie. Hi, gorge. Look at this one. Dude, at Petland we used to have one. But he was a baby. He was 2 years old. And they hand raised him.
Wow, so he... Hi.
How are you?
He's like a little alien.
Huh? Whoa, that one's loud. But I love his little swoop. I think he wants to come. Did they come?
Does he want to come with us?
I don't know. He's like lifting a leg. Oh, he bites?
That's what they're saying. You don't want to touch your neck.
Oh, they're territorial?
Not territorial. It's just.
Yeah, true.
Wait, so why does he lift his hand like that? Does he want us to
A
hold?
lot of times they'll do that. They'll do this if they're tired, or if they want, they'll want to step up. But if they don't know you necessarily,
They can hurt, yeah.
oh yeah.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Oh my gosh, he just said bye-bye to us!
Bye-bye.
Aww.
He just said bye-bye to us!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Oh my gosh! Dude! Hi! Ow! Oh my god!
God. Let me try that one.
Oh my god! He's licking me with his bird.
Dude, the bird tongue is hilarious.
I know.